Fastest way to reduce CPU temperature 2025. Windows PC Laptop Steps 1. Monitor, HW Info Task Manager. Note idle, load temps, hotspots, clocks. 2. Dust and airflow, clean filters, set front in, rear top out. Ensure positive pressure. 3. Fan curve, BIOS fan tool, more aggressive curve above 70 degrees Celsius. 4. Undervolt limits, Intel, XTU, UV, AMD curve optimizer.eco. Set PL1, PL2, PPT within cooler limits. 5. Thermal paste, repaste quality, Tame, check cooler mounting pressure. 6. Background tasks, disable startup bloat indexers during gaming. 7. Power plan, use balanced eco for laptops. Disable turbo briefly if needed. 8. Room temp, small gains by lowering ambient or moving the case. If this helped, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart fixes to common tech and gadget issues.